Welcome to PNLD's Legal Database, the official online police resource of criminal law. There are 6 tiles for quick access to specific areas of the database. Underneath, you will see our latest section, which includes topical legal news and articles, recently published case law summaries, and frequently asked legal questions. There are a number of ways for users to navigate the PNLD portal. Let's take a look. For A to Z access to Acts of Parliament, regulations and codes of practice, select this legislation tile. There are over 3,200 case law summaries and around 15,000 offence wordings accessed through our comprehensive list of categories. You can quickly access and download the top 100 most used offence wordings, which is updated regularly. Content accessed through this tile sets out powers and authorities for inspectors and superintendents. Topical road traffic legislation and related offences have been collated for ease of use. There is a type ahead search facility where short and concise terminology will return the best search results. The results page includes a short summary of each document, enabling you to decide whether it is what you are looking for. To narrow down your results, you can apply a document type filter from the drop-down menu to the left of the search. To narrow your results further, use the extended search. This allows you to search specific terms within your original search. We recommend using a combination of these features to help you get the right result. For quick access to this or any other documents in the future, click the pin icon. Pinned documents can be easily accessed through My Documents. If you need help interpreting the law or have a legal question, you can contact our highly qualified and experienced legal team through the following form. For more information or help, visit our support page.